Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, put on gloves and goggles and clear the glass surface. Spray the 1 white vinegar and water solution liberally. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits by breaking calcium bonds. Let it sit 5–10 minutes so the acid can work. While it soaks, use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to lift softened deposits. Avoid metal to prevent scratches. Once most residue loosens, wipe with a wet microfiber cloth to capture particles and prevent redepositing grit. Next, you'll tackle the tough spots with a mild abrasive paste. Mix baking soda and water into a spreadable paste and apply only to stained zones. Gently rub using a non-abrasive pad in circular strokes. Baking soda provides mechanical lift while still being safe on glass. Make sure to frequently check progress and reapply paste as needed. Once stains thin, rinse the paste completely with warm water and wipe. If residue remains, repeat the paste step rather than escalating to harsher abrasives. Finish by spraying a commercial glass cleaner or diluted vinegar and buffing with a lint-free cloth for streak-free clarity. This removes film and tiny particles. If you encounter paint or adhesive, you can carefully use a razor blade held at about 30 degrees on wet glass. Test a corner first to prevent scratches. If haze or clouding persists after all this, try a diluted ammonia solution or a dedicated limescale remover. And make sure to ventilate and wear protection. Troubleshoot. Persistent pits may be permanent. Consult a pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.